Hello guys, my name is Nick, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign in or log in to Cara. So Cara is a new social network like Facebook, and first of all let's open up this app. And right here we can sign in, for example sign in with Google or sign in with Apple or with your email address. Or you can sign up if you don't have an account. To sign up, click here. So there are 3 ways to sign up to Cara, and let's try to sign up with Google. Click here and now choose your account. Click on it. And after that, we have to fill all these fields with our data. Here you can choose image if you want. After that, type your display name, type your username, posts or portfolio. Let's select posts. And you can also enter your friend's invitation code here. I'll try to leave it for you in the description and maybe you'll get something for it. And now check this checkbox and click on save. Okay. And finally we are registered. I hope this short video helped you. If so, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave your comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.